Good morning again, everybody, from Grand Gulf Military State Park. Today we leave, and today's a big day because we may get to the end of the Great River Road. We'll just see how things go. I don't know, it's up in the air. Before we leave this park, I do want to share a little bit about what's going on here because there is some interesting history. So get all geared up, hop on the bike, and go look around a little bit. Back during Prohibition, one of the ways to transport illegal moonshine was actually in a submarine. Put all your moonshine in the submarine, float it down the Mississippi River, all stealth-like, and they have one that's kind of been preserved, kind of restored a little bit here, kept in one piece. Let's check out the Carriage House 1830 replica. If you could smell the old wood and history in this room right here, this is amazing. A 1905 Brauman coach. These two carriages look like something you might see down in New Orleans, driven by a horse or two. Definitely something you don't see too often. An original Civil War ambulance wagon. You can almost guarantee there are not too many of these left out in existence. Wow. Is it cozy in there? Yeah, it'll transport. Oh, they have two 1875 hearses. Get a load of these bad boys. Riding in style. They got two of them. A really neat resting place for these old rigs. Any fresh deliveries? Yeah, actually. Yeesh. Alright. The Grand Gulf Jail, original jail for town of Grand Gulf during the 1800s. Everything's creakly outside. Let's go inside. Wow. Nothing like steel. Cozy. Oh, look at the old fire truck and ladder system here. This is a Port Gibson volunteer fire truck from 1923. And you would simply put this trailer on the back that holds the ladders. Or no, I'm sorry, it says originally pulled by hand and then pulled by truck. Yeesh. If these grounds could speak right here. Doesn't this old still just make you thirsty? There's whiskey. There's whiskey in there. Yeah. This original log house was built in 1978. I'll be honest with you, it has held up really well. Although I don't know how well it does for insulation. You can peek through the cracks and windows and everything. Nice big fireplace. It's cozy. Certainly, once we fill in all these cracks where all the air's coming through, I could totally sport this. But it would have to obviously be parked next to a nice river. Like this one right here. Well, it's not a river, but still, it's water. I like it. What's this? The old water wheel. Well, if it's a water wheel, then that makes me think that this river, this water would be moving. Okay. Is the wheel still intact? It is. It's still there and intact, although not working. I'm thinking this building and the water wheel may have been moved because I don't think water's ever run outside this building. Look at this belt system for it, though. It's powerful. They also have this old observatory tower. It may have been like a fire tower at some point, but it's unlocked, and I was told that we can go up here. Which is good, because I need to get my steps anyway. Not walking as much now that I have the motorcycle. Oh. Climbing, climbing, climbing. We are climbing up this observatory tower. Why is this thing waving up here? It is really windy also. Ooh, some pretty awesome views though. There's the Mississippi River out there. Way out there. I don't know if you can see it. Look at my tiny motorcycle. It's nice. I really like this park and this campground. Good choice. Good 2 days. Also, this area of the south, the southeast, is well known for being the Bible Belt type stuff. but not just religious folks, also no alcohol, dry counties and stuff like that. And for their churches everywhere, like Mississippi specifically, is so strange because every time there's a church, they have these huge signs on both sides of the road that say church. You don't see that in any other state. It almost looks like a warning, like church, church ahead, church. They're everywhere. I've never seen so many churches per capita than in Mississippi. Let's go check out this old one here. I don't see a plaque or anything telling us how old it is, but it's not very modern. Woo! Hello, hello, hello. Hello. I'm gonna say it's probably a Catholic church, I think. The way I know that is because I believe this was the TV room where you'd have the flat screen TV showing the Sunday football games. So you could multitask at church. Just looking at these lights up here, those are electric lights, but I'll bet they were gas to start and then got converted to electric. And here's an old pipe organ. Pretty cool old church. I still gotta load the motorcycle up and unhook the RV. Sunshine! What did I do to deserve this? Gotta unhook everything, head out of the state park, and head south. That's what we'll do. All right, we're on the road, ready to go, Jax, man? What do we sniff today? I think we sniff a new state. Does that work for you? Did you like Mississippi? You did? Okay, me too. But our destination is in another state. We must trek on. Goodbye, beautiful park and everything. Might see you again sometime. I just can't stop smiling. I'm still in Mississippi, getting gas here. Look at that price, guys. $1.91 a gallon. Cheapest gas I have gotten anywhere in years. And it's actually just gonna get better if we go down into Louisiana. It's actually gonna be down in like the 180s a gallon. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Jax, wake up. Hey, look at this blue sign coming up, dude. A little rainy right now, but welcome to Louisiana. Bienvenue in Louisiana. Keep Louisiana beautiful. Okay, cool. Yeah, Louisiana Welcome Center, 1 mile. We'll stop here and hopefully Jax will wake up, buddy. Oh my gosh. Hey, buddy, I figured you could want to stretch your paws. You want to? Oh, okay. 2 things I want to say real quick, guys. This video is back to 60 frames a second. I know that's going to make some people unhappy that can't. Their computers or internet isn't strong enough for 60 frames, so the audio goes out of sync, the video freezes on you. I'm sorry, I can't appease to a few people and create lower quality videos when I have the capability and equipment to do my best. So I'm sorry, I have to pick and choose. Also, I'm going to be skipping Baton Rouge. I'm gonna be kind of expediting to the end of this. I've already been through Baton Rouge and filmed there twice before, and I don't know how to say this. I'm kind of eager just to wrap this up. This themed trip on the Great River Road has worn me a little thin at times. I'm really enjoying the weather, even though it's supposed to rain. It's nice and warm. So I just ask that you guys bear with me, and it's been a great trip, but I want to get down to the end of this trip and close it out. So that's what we're gonna do, okay? Okay. There's the dome where the New Orleans Saints have lost more games than any other pro football team. That's true. True story. Welcome to busy New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm gonna try to get to my, I guess you'd call it my normal spot in New Orleans, where I boondock. I have been here 3 other times, but I'm not gonna bore you with traffic. I'll let you know when I get closer. I'm excited to see if my spot's gonna be open up here. Look directly in front of me. That is our first palm tree, guys, here in New Orleans. Ain't she a beautiful sight? I like it. North Peters Street, 72-hour parking limit. We're about a 1/4 mile from the French Quarter. Easy walk. Keep going. Look at all these campers. Wow. How about right here? Yep, this is my spot. I know, it is not the prettiest part of town. I try to get as close to the curb as possible, and on the back I shouldn't have any neighbors because I've got a fire hydrant behind me, but this section right here nobody can park. But this is where all the RVers go ever since I've been coming here. Look down this road. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more RVs down there. It's one of the few places in New Orleans that has a 72-hour parking limit. So, you know, if you're in a bigger rig or a bus, you know, it looks like people live here too. Come on. But I never get in trouble. I've never gotten a ticket down here because I'm always out before 72 hours. I put my mirror in because we are all really, really close to the road. Down both ways. Some of those wheels are actually on the other side of the white line, but you know. Here's another view of North Peters Street. On the other side of this wall here is train tracks, and then you got the lake out there, but it's also part of the Mississippi River. What actually happens here in New Orleans is kind of anticlimactic as far as the Great River Road. Everybody will say that the Great River Road and the Mississippi River just ends here in New Orleans, when actually the Mississippi River ends 100 miles offshore back there. It starts trickling into the Atlantic Ocean, and there's no roads over there. It's just swampy and everything. So we are gonna call this the official end. I know it's anticlimactic. I wish there was a big sign that says end of Great River Road, end of Mississippi, but they don't have one yet. Maybe you need one. New Orleans, even though you're not really the end, this is what we call the end. Man, it's been an unbelievable couple months going north to south, 2,700 miles following the great Mississippi River. I do have some friends hopefully meeting up later tonight. Don't know if I'm gonna bring Jax, but we're gonna go explore at least the French Quarter and Bourbon Street down here. Sound good? All right. Whew, we made it. All right. Well, the rain has briefly stopped, so we are gonna go downtown. I have met some old friends here, Marshall and Tanya from Breaking Free RV, and they have a it's 2001, right?
2001.
So they have the same RV I have, yep. 2 slots down there.
When we met in Arizona, it had the same exact mileage on it, 74,000 miles. Remember, was it 74,000?
74 or 75, right?
Something like that.
And it's Chevy.
Yeah. Yep. Unfortunately.
We're gonna go play downtown, see what we can find.
I'm ready.
All right. Before we get to Bourbon Street, though, you'll see they still have gas-operated lanterns going down the street, plumbed in. They have not converted to incandescent bulbs yet. Isn't that cool? Awesome. And according to this sign, we are on Bourbon Street in Nawlins. Let's go on down, see what it has to offer. Good old Bourbon Street. It's a Thursday night, just for reference, and it's still actually pretty darn busy for a Thursday. Tropical aisle over there. Christmas everywhere. Yeah, live I like just the Bourbon Street. That one. Oh look, huge ass beers! Huge ass Welcome to New Orleans, guys. Once again, thanks for following this journey on the Great River Road, guys. It has been a blast. It has been such a fun trip. I can't wait to do more theme trips. But now, the winter is coming, and it's time for a change. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.